Welcome to today's video where we are doing a MOMO Montecarlo steering wheel upgrade on the Bmw E36. Have a suss at that. That's a 350mm Montecarlo, all blacked out, looking pretty nice. And also got that adapter from MOMO as well. Genuine MOMO setup. And yeah, let's bring the car down. I'll put a clip on now of what the current steering wheel looks like. It's very crusty and it's a much needed upgrade. Alright, before I do anything, I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Still got the old suspension from when I put coilovers in. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link down below. Alright, disconnected the negative and now I'm just gonna wait 15 minutes. Apparently that's how long you should wait before messing with the airbag. We have a special guest, it looks like. The blood's pulled up. Sheesh. With the new grill. Have a suss. Alright, so first step is taking off the airbag. Waited around 15 minutes. Got a T27, I think it is. Let's see if it fits. Alright, so the trick is to loosen the e-torques, don't tighten them, and to use leverage if you can. We've finally gotten the airbag off, so I'm sure these are going to come off without breaking. And hopefully the airbag doesn't explode in my hand. Oh, there you go. Bang! Bomb has been planted. One screw, then you just pry it off. Alright, that's a good angle. So I'm just going to take the bottom one off, the bottom surround. Just one Phillips head screw. Plastic. It's a plastic screw. It's interesting. Like I've got a magnetic tray. Alright, now I just need to pry at it. It doesn't reach. Extension. Came off pretty easy. Give it a little wiggle. Alright.
No.
It's a bit crusty. Be very careful doing this. It's a clock spring. Alright, so steering wheel's off. What you do with these is firstly you twist this like that, and then you push on the sides here, and then on this clip you need to press in the tab right there for the screwdriver while you're pulling it out. If you take it out of this little socket, yeah, you got to take it out of the socket. So with the steering wheel, you want to take the ground off the front, and then on the back, you want to take off these 3 e-torques screws. T something. I'll put it on screen now. Very small. So I'm just going to take this off and slot it in here and see how that goes. This is a shocking experience. This on a
MOMO poo poo.
Yeah, MOMO poo poo. MOMO's big poo poo. So this, I just tried to line up that hole with the middle, and then I pushed it in, it went in, and then I pushed it more, and it slotted it in again. And that little flap on the back, that's what actually cancels your indicator, I learned. So that's where we're at so far. This is for montage. It's actually going down a lot. Yeah, I think I need to put a steering wheel on, and then you hold it, and then I need to tighten that. Okay, fast forward to all the wiring done. These instructions and the other ones are absolutely useless. There's a lot of trial and error, but this is what we have come up with. So on mine, the ground, as you can see, a bit hard for the light, but the small cable is the ground that goes there. And then there's another cable in the kit, which is this one. So the OEM ground goes to there, and the cable of the kit goes to there, so ground there. And then the other one is this one, which is just the kit cable plugged into OEM. And I'm going to crimp it and electrical tape that. Then the airbag, I don't think it matters which way it goes in, just jammed in like that. And that's like a 2 amp fuse that must add resistance, I guess. I don't really know. And then I've also got the horns. I'm going to use this AliExpress one. That little logo means ground, by the way. So you got to figure out how you're going to set everything up. And I'm not using this ring. This is just to clip into. But because my ground is this way, what goes to there out, that's going directly to the horn. And then positive is from OEM cable to the kit to the horn. I'm not using this at all. Alright, so steering wheel is on. This is it's AliExpress quality, but it works. Very nice. It feels very good in the hand, actually. I just need to figure out what's happening with the airbag light. Might need to reset the battery. But yeah, that looks really nice. I'm quite happy with that. Very snazzy, huh? Seal of approval? Okay, so that concludes this video. We have finished the install. The friends helped a little bit, especially Adion. It only took like 2 hours to do, which wasn't too bad. Hopefully this helps with other people who are installing this on their car. Because like even the American version was slightly different. This is a 318 engine swapped in Australia. So it's probably different to America and the Euro ones. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for other content that's coming up. Might be exhaust, might be intake, I don't know. Stay tuned. Bye.